Let's go. Aloha, everybody. Me and my wifey, my mermaid, are on our trip in the North Shore of Oahu, Hawaii trip. We're at Waimea right now with the big waves you can see over here to my left. But before that, we got a Celsius in Hawaii. It is mango passion fruit. It just tastes better in Hawaii. It's the same thing in California, but it tastes better in Hawaii.
So we're passing by Waimea Valley.
We're passing by Waimea Valley. Me and my wifey, the first time we ever went here, did this little hike. It's not really a hike, it's a pathway to a waterfall. You go in the water. So make sure you bring your board shorts, water shoes, whatever, because you could get wet. Over here to the right, there is a little luau in there too at night that we found out about. And so it's a little hiking in there. But later we're going to go back to Waikiki and surf. But right now we just want to check out the big waves before they go away because it's wintertime and the North Shore is going off. And yesterday, Waikiki, what did you think about the waves yesterday, baby?
When we got there, it was fairly small, but then it got a little bit bigger, maybe like 2 to 4. And it got good. It's just super crowded.
Super good. Really crowded.
Yeah.
We actually tried a different beach earlier today, but the thing is we forgot our lock block thing. And it said box. Yeah. Let's see if you can see. Oh my gosh. Yes, there's some big waves over here. It's going to be really fun to see. We're going to make our way to Pipeline right now, guys. So I'll show you that footage when we get there. But anyways, we went to Iwa Beach, called White Plains is a surf spot. And it was going off today.
Mostly military and locals.
But yeah, military and locals. That's the only people that usually... I mean, there's visitors like us. We're tourists, and we were going to go surf there. But we are surfers, so we're going to find the beaches and surf. But yeah, the only thing is with the rental spot over there, it's all military. Oh, wow. Check out those. They're not even that big yet. Yep. Look at that. And then we're not even in the huge part yet. We're just getting to them, but look at that. Whew.
It's hard to tell.
Yeah, we need surfers. We're gonna get the Pipeline, guys. Don't worry. We're gonna get the Pipeline with some surfers, and you'll see how big they actually are. Actually, we're coming up on Sharks Cove right here. Hold on, we got a fire truck coming.
The fire trucks in Hawaii are yellow.
Yes, they are. They are yellow.
Do you remember why they're yellow? We don't. Kingsley was telling us.
I think it's the original color, and then people wouldn't get out of the way because they would see yellow and they wouldn't think to move, so they changed it to red.
But it's still yellow here. Oh, it's the food land that we go to a lot.
Oh yeah, food land. They have good poke bowls, guys. Don't diss that supermarket. Go there and get their poke bowls. They are absolutely amazing.
Here's Sharks Cove, where we like to snorkel.
Exactly, where we snorkel on the North Shore over here. But anyways, back to Iwa Beach, White Plains. They only let you rent the boards if you're military. You have to have military ID, or you bring your own boards. So next time we come, we are definitely going to get traveling boards and bring our own boards because we want to surf there really bad. I mean, it was super beautiful, and this is January. And the other best part about it is the water is still like, what do you think, 75 degrees?
So, I think it's about 77, 79.
79 degrees. So the water is like a bath water. You don't even need...
and it's not as crowded there.
No.
Like Waikiki.
No, not at all. So, yeah, you don't even need wetsuits. It's not crowded. It's just a beautiful scene.
I don't think you ever need to wear wetsuits in Hawaii.
I don't think so.
I haven't had to wear
I never had to wear one either. So, yeah. But, all right, guys, we're going to start filming right here until we get to Pipeline, and we'll show you Pipeline. All right, guys, enjoy your Friday. Aloha. Laters. There he goes. Look at that. That's wild.
Oh my god.
Woo! Look at him ride that way. He looks like a tiny ant. So this is the North Shore of Oahu. What did it say on Surfline?
10 to 15, I believe.
10 to 15? These are the big boys. Me and my wife here are longboarders. We will not surf these. We will gladly watch from the sidelines at the beach. Yeah, I mean.
I would not.
Yeah. little bit smaller. As you can tell over here, it's a little bit smaller. So we have some surfers over here, not that much smaller. But, oh, they even have a lifeguard out there. See, dude? Yeah. Oh, look at this guy coming down the line right there. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Good for him.
Wow. What a ride.
Oh,
Look at that.
man.
You can actually see his trail behind him. That's
Yeah.
how big the surf is. Wow. Look at that next one. Oh, wait, this third one coming. Anybody on it? I can't even see it over the spray of the water. Look at these. These are tubes. Yeah, see the jet ski over there?
I see it.
Lifeguard on duty. Probably help them when they, you know, get stuck on the inside. Try to help them get out. Oh, like here we go. Nope, not gonna get it. Is he on? No. Oh, oh, two guys on one wave. Look at that party wave on a big wave. This is incredible. Yeah. Did you see this spray? The whitewash spray? We have a guy getting ready to paddle out here. As you can tell, the water is high tide. Comes all the way up to the beach right here. We're on this little cliff watching. It's pretty cool.
You don't want it.
I'll show you the little cliff we're on. So see, it drops down to right there. So I'm going to zoom in for you guys to see these surfers surf these monstrous waves. And then we're going to probably head out here soon so we can go surf and get our surf in our 2 to 3 foot waves. Which
Hey, they're fun.
we're glad to surf that. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Look how small he looks.
I know.
Look at that. He looks tiny. I am. There comes another surfer coming in. Yeah, we need to get your iPhone 15. Hold off of it.
Oh, paddleboarder.
Where's that at? Oh, wow. So he was on a paddleboard, guys. You hardly ever see that in big waves, so. And a butt. Paddle through this. Oh, he barely made that drop. You see that? He was
He's
He
going
was
straight
fighting
to
that.
you.
just the one on top of that lip.
There he is.
Crap.
I know. He's probably saying the same thing while he's surfing. Holy CRAP.
These are wicked. So, 6 times I came to Hawaii, I finally got to see big waves on the North Shore between like Pipeline and Sunset Beach. Usually when we've been coming, me and my wife has been like flat.
Yeah.
I think this is bigger than El Porto, like
No.
few weeks ago.
But the only thing is that here though, it's
Very
really
clean.
clean.
Yeah.
It's not like a
Yeah, it's
like
not
the
like
ones
a
at
big
El
old
Porto.
wall.
I don't think that's right for.
No,
You know?
that's why no one was out.
Yeah.
there's like a tons of, I mean, I don't know if you can see it on my video, guys, but there's tons of people out over there.
Maybe like 10.
Yeah, I would say more than that even. Is he on? He's fighting. No,
No.
I missed it.
Someone's on it. What's that? Get to the shoulder. Shoulder. Hell yeah.
Hey, this guy's going out on a single fin longboard. Wow, check out this dude.
Yeah, but there's people that ride big waves with longboards.
That's true.
Big
That
wave
is
riders,
true.
right?
Yeah, but usually they're like a tri-fin, a thruster, not a single fin. I've never seen a single fin.
As you know from yesterday, with your fin almost half off.
That's true. I can still surf.
Not that the fin doesn't make a big difference. It
Yeah.
does, but you can still ride and catch waves. Wow.
Still riding it. Give me 1 second. This wave is coming. Look at that one outside. Look at. Oh, he barely made it over. Well, I think someone's gonna paddle for it right now.
I think so.
Yeah, there's somebody. See him kicking.
Someone's gonna get on it. Is he?
Yeah, baby.
Oh man, look at that. It's like it should be in a cover of Surfer magazine.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Look at that one behind it too.
Oh wow.
Did he get a 2? He got a 2. He got a barrel.
It's gonna close out.
Oh, my
gosh.
He's like, I'm gonna ride this in. He's like, that was my
Like,
wave.
I'm bailing.
Yeah, he's like, that was my wave of the day.
Like an auntie.
You can get more of the ocean.
The lifeguard right there. He must be busy, huh? For lifeguards.
And it says warning, no lifeguard. Look at that one outside over there. Look at that.
I guess that's that towing thing. That's how they pull.
The surfer gets on that and they lay on it.
How to go around that for the sea dew.
That's good. All the way over. Can you imagine if we ran out of gas or stalled right there? That's so good.